Nilwala National College of Education is the main pre-service education institute in the southern Sri Lanka. It is situated in the border of Oleagan Forest, a national reserve in Wilpita, Akuressa of Matara district. Marking a milestone in teacher education, colleges of education were established to create professionally competent teachers. So, foundation stone for the 6th College of Education was laid by the Minister of Education, Mr. Ranil Wickramasinghe, on 22nd of June 1985. The college was a donation of Japanese government and its cost of construction was 630 million rupees at that time. Japanese government has constructed this college keeping its natural beauty and landscape according to the plan of famous architect Geoffrey Bawa. Therefore, eternal natural beauty is prevailing still in the Nilwala National College of Education. On 14th of November 1986, 220 students were registered for the first batch. Nilwala opening ceremony was held on 7th of December 1986 by the President at that time, His Excellency Mr. J.R. Jayawardena. The swan in the emblem symbolizes separating virtues from the evils. Nilwala is proud to have well-equipped 3 science laboratories for physics, chemistry and biology. The library is a fountain of knowledge for all the Nilwala community. The sports unit of Nilwala, composed of a multi-purpose gymnasium that is used for indoor games, conferences and used as a theatre. The prospective teachers of Nilwala obtain the maximum advantages of all these available physical resources, and they will serve all around the country. first president of the Nilwala National College of Education was Mr. K.S. Palihakkara, and there were 28 in the academic staff, and the non-academic staff was consisted of 45. Since 1986, Nilwala National College of Education has already gifted over 5,000 quality teachers to the national education system to enhance potentialities of the future generation. Initially, Nilwala had 3 pre-service teacher education courses of primary education, science and home science. Although adjustments were made in the course list of college from the time to time, currently we conduct 3 courses both in English and Sinhala medium under the leadership of the current president at Nilwala National College of Education, Mr. S.S. Senara. Prospective teachers for the colleges are recruited based on their advanced level qualifications. Intern period is 2 years. Here we learn mainly subjects of 3 areas and co-curricular and extracurricular activities. The subjects under professional area empowers teachers in all necessary professional knowledge to create effective learning environment in the classroom. The general area empowers teachers' language, ICT, aesthetic skills, health and physical aspects. The specialization area strengthens their subject knowledge that they are going to teach at the school. Co-curricular and extracurricular activities also help to equip the teachers with some additional skills to become versatile teachers in the school system. College starts with the morning physical fitness program at 5:45 a.m. Academic activities are carried out from 8 a.m. to 3:45 p.m. along with the laboratory experiences and the theoretical lessons.